Hi guys, I will be making banga rice in this video. Welcome back to another lovely video. So here is my prepared banga cream. So here is tomato blends with onion and everything there. Everything will be in the description box in case you are interested. So I just added some inside my banga cream. Here I'm adding seasoning cube. Onion powder, just a little bit because I blended onion already with the tomato blends. Pinch of salt, not much, just very small. So I will mix everything together and cover it. I like it to boil very well before adding the rice. So guys, see rain. Oh, rain is falling here. Oh. Rain is falling, just enjoying the coolness. See that English makes sense, I beg. English, not a person mates. You see that everywhere cool, no much heat this time around. So let's go to the main. So here's my rice, just washing the rice. Here I'm using normal regular rice. English, not a person mate. So the the banga is boiling. So I'll be transferring the rice into it. Everything. So here I forgot to add my crayfish. Now I'm adding the crayfish now. I forgot it to, so I just blended this with water and add it into the rice. So guys, thank you very much guys. If today the first day I see my video, you are highly welcome, or see my face, you are highly welcome. God bless you. Please subscribe. Subscription is free, as I always said. Subscription is free guys. You don't need to pay any kobo. So thank you to all my returning subscribers, all of you now that is coming to watch my video. I really appreciate you guys. I do not take you guys for granted. God bless you. And thank you. And let's continue. The May we are here. Wow, are you seeing the rice? So now I'm adding my fish and more cow skin together. That's what I'm using for this rice. Cow skin and pomo. So I did not add the fish earlier because it will scatter. Oh, I don't want the fish to scatter. So now I'm adding it, but you guys see a little bit of water under the rice. So just allow it to steam a little bit and the rice will be ready. Cover it back and let's 2 minutes. Did you see that? Oh my god, our rice is ready. So I'm just dishing it now. Our rice is ready with the kpomo and the fish. This fish is what are they calling this fish? Mackerel fish I use. This mackerel fish, oh my god. Oh, remember the last time I prepared mackerel fish? Is the one, the leftover. Is it leftover? Oh, I prepared another one. So guys, did you see our rice? Did you see that yumminess? Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you all. Please subscribe. As I said before, it's free. Turn on the notification bell in case I upload. You will be the first to be notified. God bless you. Much love.